the Midwest, like, dude, you drive around up there, like, I was up there recently visiting my buddy Lucas, and you like walk through the parking lot and you can see brand spanking new, I mean new trucks, like maybe a year old, and the tailpipe is just rotting off of them and rusted out. I mean, it's a very small portion of the population that can afford to like take a brand new truck and get it disassembled and get the frame painted with Demron paint, which is a really super cool paint that like etches itself into the steel. We did one truck like that for Brad Exton from Fast, and it was pretty cool to see the process, but we literally had to take a brand new truck with 480 miles on it, strip it down to a bare frame, strip the axle housings down to the just brake lines off, all the electrical off, like strip it down, paint it with this special paint, and then put it all back together. Like the amount of labor entailed in that is insane. And just the amount of chemicals they get sprayed on their roads up there just destroys the vehicles. Like nothing's safe. Like you can get online and look at pictures of vehicles in the Midwest, like the exhaust manifolds. You can like poke a screwdriver through them. They're so rotten. I would never buy a vehicle from the Midwest unless it had been like garage kept in the winter and never seen snow, which that's really easy to say, and I've seen some pretty insane tricks that people do to hide it. Like they'll literally take like caulking from Home Depot that sets up hard, fill the rotten portions of the frame with caulking, and then like smooth it out and then spray paint over it with gloss black paint. Doing a quick look over a vehicle as your, pre-purchase inspection kind of a thing, you could look over it pretty easily and then find it later on. Yeah, Midwest, just definitely one of those ones. Unless you're just getting an absolutely insane deal and you only want the engine out of it or something like that, that's where I would stay away from used diesel vehicles.